Oh. What's happening, everyone? My name is Phil with Think Make Do, and after 2 long months and 2 failed deliveries later, we finally have all the parts we need for our bathroom model. So today we're going to be showing you how to install the double sink vanity, the plumbing, the wall mirror, vanity mirror, as well as the backsplash that goes on the double sink vanity. So all the materials are in the description link below in the video, so check that out. And the total cost for this install was about $1,200 for materials. Let's cut to the video and show you how we did it.
So I'm about to install this medicine cabinet that's going to go against this wall, and it's a bit of an awkward placement because I have a stud running here but no stud until all the way over on the edge here. And once you'll see when I put this medicine cabinet up, it's going to be a little bit difficult to drill into this stud knowing that we have electrical more than likely running up this side of the stud. So since I'm by myself, I have fashioned my own support for the medicine cabinet, or I'm going to screw in with these I think these are 1.5 inch screws. I'm going to screw in on this side, level it, and then get 3-inch screws to go in from an angle all the way over to make contact with the stud on this side. So this baby level is decent for most application, but this slightly larger one has what we have here, which is a gauge on how many 1/8 of an inch something needs to move up or down to get to that perfect level. Okay, well, somehow I did it an inch lower than I wanted to. But yeah, I think I should have done it at 8 to get to where I wanted, but whatever. Okay, let's set you up to take a look at this drain. See if we can knock this one out. Okay, so this drain has a similar problem. Again, the height of the drain coming out of the wall is too low to mate up with the P-trap. We're gonna have to cut this pipe back, probably to here. Again, do 2 right elbows. There it is. 2 elbows like that to get it up to a better height. Oh yeah, this will be interesting. Well, you guys get the idea. So again, we want to do all of this in kind of one motion, right? On, slide this in, establish your point here, and connect everything together. So it all dries in the place that it's supposed to be. Got a leak. Let me show you. You see right here? Got a bit of a leak, so we need to tighten this connection right there. This right here is a rubber seal, so maybe just when this was all connected, it kinked a little. It just needed to be repressured or put back under pressure. I've got our 60-inch backsplash here that's going to go on top of our vanity. And I've already cut it to size. However, I cut it on this end, and what I realized is that's the dirty end. And I really should have cut it on this side because this does have a defined top and bottom. If you look, there is this kind of mitered, chamfered part on the bottom. And I think that is so you can get caulk under. Not really sure why they did that, but I don't really want to have this surface at the top. I want this flat surface at the top. So, construction adhesive for the backing. I'm pretty sure I could use silicone back there, but we'll use construction adhesive because I have it. And then I have a white silicone sealant that I'm going to run along the top and run along the bottom to prevent water from getting through. So, I'm going to set you guys on the camera up somewhere where you can see. If you look, there's a natural curvature that is causing us to have gaps. Those gaps are okay. That's why we have the backsplash that covers some of the gaps. If you look, we really need that backsplash over here. Oop, that's my retainer. You see all that? Half-inch backsplash or side splash should cover this nicely. Well, for freehand, that's okay. And actually the slightly grayish tone of this cultured marble kind of matches the gray of the cabinets. So it doesn't look out of place. But now, when I'm splashing around, I can be rest assured that I'm not gonna get my drywall moldy here. And we can consider dropping the mirror down onto a different type of mount here to cover this gap. Got the last backsplash or side splash piece here. I just cut it down to size. Looks like it fits pretty well. So, it's glued in place. Alright everyone, that is a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like and comment in the video. It's super exciting to see your thoughts on the work that I'm doing. And for those of you that are slightly detail oriented, you'll notice we have this trim piece here that's still supposed to go up. We have to caulk the remaining tile that was missing while we were waiting for this to install, and I've got to trim off the spacers down here at the bottom to help level the cabinet. But other than that, I think we're done and ready for the next episode. You editing video there, buddy?